Hotwire, features, strengths, weaknesses. Hotwire is a full-stack framework offering an alternative approach to building modern web applications by sending HTML over the wire, allowing you to create dynamic user interfaces without the complexity of a JavaScript-heavy single-page application. Key features include Turbo, which provides a suite of techniques like Turbo Drive for navigating between pages without full reloads, Turbo Frames for isolating page sections into independently updatable units, Turbo Streams for delivering asynchronous HTML fragments over WebSockets, and Stimulus, a modest JavaScript framework to sprinkle interactivity where needed. Hotwire is ideally suited for developers and teams comfortable with server-side rendering and who want to minimize JavaScript dependencies. It particularly benefits projects migrating from older server-rendered applications or those that prioritize simplicity and performance over the rich client-side experiences often associated with SPAs. The strengths of Hotwire lie in its reduced complexity, faster initial load times, improved SEO due to server-side rendering, enhanced accessibility, and increased developer productivity by leveraging existing server-side skills. Compared to SPAs, the development cycle can be shorter, and the learning curve is less steep. However, Hotwire isn't without its weaknesses. It's not a drop-in replacement for every SPA. The perceived interactivity might be slightly less immediate than a fully client-side rendered application in certain scenarios, requiring careful consideration of user experience. Implementing complex client-side logic can become cumbersome and require more reliance on Stimulus or other JavaScript libraries, potentially negating some of the framework's benefits. Furthermore, while WebSockets are supported through Turbo Streams, managing real-time updates and persistent connections adds complexity compared to simpler HTTP requests. Debugging can also be more challenging than debugging SPAs due to the interplay between server-side rendering and client-side updates. You'll need to be comfortable inspecting network requests and server logs. Finally, the community is smaller compared to major JavaScript frameworks, meaning fewer readily available resources and third-party libraries. Ultimately, Hotwire offers a compelling alternative to traditional SPAs. While it may not be suitable for every project, its strengths in simplicity, performance, and developer productivity make it a valuable tool for building dynamic web applications in a server-rendered world. Consider your project's specific requirements and weigh the pros and cons carefully before committing to Hotwire. If you value simplicity, performance, and server-side rendering, Hotwire is definitely worth exploring.